Hey guys, welcome back to another Sparkle adventure. In today's video, I'm going to be making a sticker book full of samplers. So I've recently seen a couple friends of mine have like cute little sticker books that hold all the samplers that they use. Well, usually they'll put like, well, I don't even know how to describe it. I'll see if I can get pictures from them and then I'll put them up here on the screen somewhere so you can see what I'm talking about. So I was super inspired by that because this system is not super easy. It is portable. This is just a little like $1 photo album I got from Michaels, but it kind of sucks like having to like put them in all of the pockets and they don't always fit. And it's kind of like difficult. Like if I want something off of like this page and I have to pull this one out and this one out. Whereas like if I just had a little book I could flip through, then that would be better. So the books that my friends have like a spiral bounding, that like plastic spiral bounding that comes on those old school Franklin Covey planners. And I don't have anything that can do that, but I do have discs and a Happy Planner punch. So I figure I would just put it on discs and call it good instead of worrying about that binding. Ooh, I think I need to make a cover for it, but I'll do that later. I bought this on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. So these are called release sheets. I was asking my friend Kate, who owns Planner Bunny Press, like how to even look up the paper that I would need. And she said it was called release sheets. I asked if it was the same as wax paper and she said it's not because this has a different kind of coating on it. I think if you wanted to use wax paper, that might work. But this was pretty affordable on Amazon Prime, just a couple bucks. So again, I'll put the listing in the description down below. So let's open it up. I'm gonna go ahead and just take the staples off of there. I find that these little scissors that I got from, the Paper Studio are great. I'm sure you could do this with a bunch of different scissors. Just trying to like, because I don't have a stapler remover. So what I do is, if you just saw, I'll just stick my scissors in there until they get to a point where it's pretty tight. And then I just kind of wiggle back and forth. And it'll usually pull the staple right out. Okay, well, of course, this one is... All right, pliers, what you got? There we go. Stick scissors under, perfect. Again, I'm gonna push it all the way down, kind of wiggle back and forth. Oh. And then just grab these pliers. There we go. Originally, I was thinking I would, I would put the discs on the side, but I think that a lot of samplers are going to be close to the width of this. Let me pull out, here we go, like this one from The Beautiful Mess. So see, like that's essentially the full width of the paper. And if I were to like put a disc on here, this would have to like hang off. So instead, I think I'm just going to go through and just like punch the top of these sheets. And there we go. I have a lot of complaints about the Happy Planner punch. I should probably just invest. There's another arc punch that you can get on Amazon. I should probably just invest in that. Because like the blades have gotten not so sharp. So they leave these like, they don't cut it out fully. Although I think I saw where someone said that you can punch with like aluminum foil and that'll sharpen it back up. Okay, so let me go ahead and I'm just gonna fast forward through me punching all of these sheets. so now that we have all of our sheets punched, see, okay, hopefully you can see that. It's like all of the, it's not the paper. Okay, I'm not describing this well. The paper isn't like laying flat against each other because it has like all of these little tears. So actually I'm gonna go through and clean those up before I put them on discs. Okay, so now they are all like trimmed down and definitely fit together a lot better, I think. All right, time to put it on discs. If I had some spare metal discs, I would definitely use those, but these were awesomely gifted to me at an event in Pomona, California earlier this year. They're so cute. I wish I could use yellow too, but I only have 4. So let's go with these. These are just the plastic, classic size discs. Let's see. I want to make sure I get this in like the proper order. So we have, no? Yeah? No. Yeah, okay. Pink. Purple. Blue. Green. And what I love about this system so much is that like now that I've cut down this paper, I really don't think I'll have enough, but I can easily buy more on Amazon and then just add it to these discs. It's such an awesome system. And like, even if I outgrow these discs, I can get the bigger ones. So it's awesome. And I'm sure that like, because I was thinking that I'll probably get more samplers. So what sucks about this, right? Like if I get another sampler from this shop, I would have to like move this and then like move a bunch of stuff around. But if I get another sampler from this shop and I have it right here, then I can easily add another one right here, or I can add another page. So they can all be together, which is just so nice. Because there's so many times when, like there's a couple shops that I have a couple different samplers from. Again, one in general, Kate with Planner Bunny Press. And I wish that I had like a full one, but I don't because I've used stickers from all the different ones. Anyway, they get misplaced. So this will be an easy way that I can like put all the samplers from one shop in one spot. Okay, so now what I'll probably do, my original idea was to peel the back off of it because this whole thing is just one sticker. So my idea was to pull the back off of it very carefully. Yeah, that's not gonna work as well as I thought. So I think what I'll do instead is like cut out the logo from the shop because I want to make sure I get the shops right so I can go and tag it. And then I'll just stick all the stickers down from that shop together. So I'm just gonna definitely do a time lapse here because this is probably gonna take me like all afternoon, and I'll probably just do jump cuts so that you don't see the whole thing. And then I'll come back at the end and do a flip through. Let's go. as you can see, I have filled up every page in this sticker book, and I'm so excited. So full disclosure, some time has passed since I started this project, and now obviously it's like no time for you, but that was like 2 days ago when I started this project. So yesterday I went to the post office, and here's a hack for you guys. If you go to the post office often, when you print a shipping label, you know, it comes kind of like, oh, hold on. It comes like this, right? I mean, obviously it's got your shipping label on it, but when you peel it off, you just have the wax paper that's left, which is it's sticker paper, because this is a sticker. So this was from my label that I printed, or I don't know if it was this one in particular. And this is where it gets a little like embarrassing, because I originally just tossed it in the trash can that they have for these. And then I saw other people's and I grabbed a few others. I am really into sustainability these days. I really, especially because of the Amazon fires, I don't know, I've just become way more aware of like ways in which I can live more sustainably. And one of the ways in the 3 R's is obviously reuse. So I am reusing, and I am reusing other people's supplies as well. And then I picked up these because these were in the lobby with like mailing supplies, and they were free. So while I'm not going to be using this sticker, I'm going to be using this sticker paper that was free. So there's a hack for you if you want free versions of this stuff so that you don't even have to pay. And also, I feel like I'm reducing my usage of materials, because this paper came with the packaging, plus it came in a cardboard box, plus it was shipped. So there's like usage of gas. So I'm way reducing my footprint by using these options. Okay, so obviously you can see I still have more to go. So I'm going to keep going here, and let's get back to the music. Okay, so here we have the finished product. What I did was like, I kept this here, and I will actually be adding a cover. I think I said that before. I'm going to add a cover to it. What I went through and did was like, I was worried about that. So I found some other samplers in my stash. This was stuff from Beyond Paper Flowers, and this stuff was already in here from that shop. So I added this sheet in front of these so that they're both close together, and then I added more to the back. And what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start putting stuff from shops in here as well. So like all my stuff from the Modest Cat, you know, my bestie Bella, is here. And then I also added this stuff from, that's Mallow, the Modest Cat. Here we go. This stuff is from Planner Bunny Press, Kate, who I referenced earlier in the video. And what was so great was because like a couple of her sheets like this are a full sheet of that. And I didn't really see the point of putting these stickers on sticker paper because it's just like a full sheet. So I went ahead and just punched the top of her sheet, which worked perfectly. So I'm going to probably add, like I might add a divider. Oh, okay. Yeah, so same thing here. It was just a like full mini sheet of these bows, and I didn't want to move them all over, so I cut it down and I just attached it with washi. It might not stick. Anyway, I might add some sort of like tabs like the Modest Cat and Planner Bunny Press, and like this is from Toffee Bananas, so that way these will be perfect to just punch and put in there. I might spend a little bit more time working on this. But anyway, I think I'll be switching to larger discs very soon. And I'll be adding more to it and updating you guys. But anyway, this is where I'm at for now. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Let me know if you do anything like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.